In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the date function, how a normal person uses a date, and how we use a formula for DATEDIF. I have already shown you in the previous video. So I'm just elaborating it and this DATEDIF and what are the common mistakes we do in a DATEDIF. Suppose if you want to have a difference between the two dates, you want to know the days in days, what is the differences. So what a normal person can do will be doing is equal to writing a formula like equal to and the completion date minus the production date will be the answer. So by default it doesn't calculate 1, so it will be giving us 0. So the same thing which there's a formula for DATEDIF. So if you are using a DATEDIF, you have many advantages over the DATEDIF. So you can use for months and years together. So as I showed you in my previous video, please refer to my previous video. So it will be like dated if open parenthesis, and I'll be taking this date comma the position date comma, and I'll be typing in double quotes as D for days, and I'll be closing the parenthesis. So both ways I'm getting the answer as 0. So if you want to if you're calculating these two dates as a 1, then you have to do is you have to add a day over here, so plus 1, and you have to do the same over here, you have to add a 1. So by default it's going in date, so we can change it into general or numerical values. So if you make it general, it will be in a day. So now if I pull the angry rabbit to see whether the other dates are matching on some criteria, so you can see that in dated if I'm getting an error. As for one I'm not getting an error, but for dated if in this area I'm getting an error. So what is the main reason behind this I'm getting an error is, and apart from that, if you want to change the date, if you want to have a month, you can just remove this and type M, and for years you can type Y. So you can do that manually, but here I'm concentrating why I'm getting these errors. And I have showed you what is the best ways. You have to add one to get the best results. So the main reason you're getting the data if you saved on is totally wrong. So in the data in normal formulas, you have to do is you have to calculate the final the final product date from the production dates. So that is the difference here, but here it is in the different, it is in a vice versa scenario. So what you have to do here is you have to calculate the first the production date comma, then you have to get to the finalized date, and again you have to put a comma and double quote, you have to type D, and plus 1 is for the answer of the if you are getting into 1. So again you have to change this into a general. So now let's see, let's pull this down. So now we can see we are getting the right answers. So this is the common mistake we do in normal formulas and dated if. So I think this is going to be a helpful video, and we get a lot of information from this, and you have to try to avoid these mistakes. Try to share this video and subscribe to my channel and keep learning. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.